Services out here in Easton. Going to show you how we do exterior window cleaning. We use this purified water system that takes all of the minerals and actually the electric charge out of the water. And what it allows us to do is clean your windows safely from the ground without a ladder. And it actually does a better job than hand squeegeeing alone, which I also do. We also provide that service, especially on the insides. So you can see the dirt coming off of the windowsill, the ledge. You have to rinse everything down very well. And what this does is this dries spot free. It dries without any water spots, crystal clear, and it looks better than me doing them by hand. I've squeegeed for many years. When I squeegee, sometimes it's just impossible just to get a window perfect. And I'd say this, out of 1 to 100 for perfection, this is probably a 95. The best I've seen for hand squeegeeing, even myself, to be blunt, is about 85, 90. This does a little bit better than hand squeegeeing alone. So that's the way we do it outside. It saves time and energy too. You know, we don't have to use ladders to go up and down, which minimizes risk, and we can get your job done faster, which it benefits you. We're out of your way. So what used to take more than a day, we can now do in about a half a day, 3/4 of a day. So in the long run, it's better off. And if a window does need to be done by hand, we certainly will still do it by hand. No issue with that. So if you ever have any concerns with a window cleaning service that was done and it needs to be touched up, we can always hit it by hand. So this is kind of the same technology as a spot-free car wash. You see there as it rinses off. And you'll see it dries. This water dries differently too. It doesn't dry like a water from a hose spigot would. It's been purified. It is from the spigot, but it's not. You see how it's drying there? It sheets. It sheets off of the window rather than forming droplets. And that's what you want. That's how it dries, clean and pure. Again, Spot Services Pure Wash, servicing this home out here in Easton, Maryland. If you want us to give you a free estimate for your service, give us a call, 410-822-4144. We also serve Delaware and Annapolis. So if you have any properties out there you'd like to have done, just give us a ring. Thanks again.